times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So you definitely want to subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you. Appreciate you. Today I'm just doing a little quick video about a wig that was on my top favorites list. I have that video that you can watch. It's a video about wigs that I would buy backups of. So I wanted to try the wigs that I loved in other colors to see if I love them the same. Because I know I try wigs and sometimes I like the wig but I hate the color. So I'm wondering if I try my favorite wig in a different color if I would feel the same way. I did that with Sensational's Shayna. And today we're doing it with Freetress VIVA. Okay, and the color that I have and I already have a review on is FF427. So it's a number 4 root with the 27 sombre in face framing highlights. Very, very pretty. I'm not going to go into a lot of the specs of this wig just because I already have a full review. It's the same wig, different color. Today I have her in FF30. This is her. I've worn her once. I didn't get enough time to set it down a little bit. It was a little bit humpy. This wig does tend to be a little bit humpy, so you do need to just set down the part and things like that. I also filmed a video on comparing the FF colors, and FF means face framing. There's a few colors. I have them all. The only one I don't have is the reds, which is the FF350, FF530, and I think there's an FF Amber. I'm not positive. Those are going to be all the red shades, but I have all the brown shades, so you'll see that video. If it's not up already, it'll be up soon. I'm going to just put this chick on and get her together, and then I'll tell you my thoughts about the color. I got her together. I just love this wig. It's an easy wig to get together. She just needs a little bit because she can be a little humpy in here. But when you set her down, then she's fine. I do like this color. I feel like the other one is, because it's a base of a number 4 and a 27, it's obviously lighter. This one is maybe a number 2 with the 30, and so I feel like this is sort of like the fall version of that wig. So I'm super into it. I like this color. You see I got my flannel shirt on. It's September when I'm filming this, and yeah, I think this is going to transition right into the fall. Super nice. So in this case, I still love the wig and I love this color too. So what do you think? I will put a quick picture up of the 427 so you can kind of see the difference. Which one do you like better? Do you like the FF30 or the FF427, or do you like them both like I do? All right, if there's any wig that you would like to see in 2 colors, please put that down below. If there's any Freetress Equal wig that you want me to review, also put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.